Hey guys, WWE for James here with the next video, and today we have got, well, I'm just going to show you some WWE DVD pickups that I've picked up over the last couple of weeks because I've not been on. So first of all, one of my neighbours has had a skip, and I was walking past a skip and I spied WWF Survivor Series from 1990, I can't remember, 1991, and the second annual, and she was outside, so I asked her, look, I'm a big fan of WWF, and I wondered if I could have this video, and she says, yes, take what you like. So I got Survivor Series, the second annual. So this is really good. It's got 2 hours of action. This is, I'm looking forward to watching this. We'll have to find a video player first, though. I think my granddad's got one that I can watch it on. So yeah, that's the first one. And then I've picked up 3 DVDs from Derby, 1 from That's Entertainment and 2 from CEX. First one from That's Entertainment, I picked Bragging Rights 2010 up for $3.99. I'm a big fan of Bragging Rights and I want them to bring it back, as I'm a big fan of the draft as well. So I really want them to bring this pay-per-view and the draft back. So I'm really looking forward to watching this. Not had a chance yet because I've still got an older wrestling DVD to watch, The Great American Bash 2008. I'm in the middle of watching that now. So yeah, that's the one I picked up for That's Entertainment. And then CEX, I had some store credit, and I went in, not expecting to get anything, and I think I went in twice actually. Did I go in? Yes, I went in twice. Yes, because I had 2 trips to Derby recently, and I went in twice, and the first time I went in I picked up SummerSlam 2011, which I've still got to watch. This was a right bargain. I think this was £5, so really happy with this. So yeah, I had a bit of store credit. So yeah, SummerSlam 2011, £5, and I also picked up Royal Rumble 2011, and this was £4. So yeah, that's some great pay-per-views and DVDs and VHS tapes there that I'm looking forward to watching. Let's recap. I've got the Royal Rumble 2011. I think this is the one where I think Del Rio wins the title, and then Edge retains. That sets in stone that match for WrestleMania 28. I think that's what happened there. We've got SummerSlam 2011 with the 2 WWE Championships, CM Punk versus John Cena. We've got Bragging Rights 2010. Never seen this pay-per-view, so I'm looking forward to watching it. And as I said before, I'm a big fan of the Bragging Rights. And we also have Survivor Series. So yes, that's it for this video, guys. That's just the wind blowing a door shut if you heard that bang. So yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter. Sorry there hasn't been, oh yeah, just before I go, sorry there hasn't been any intros to the last few videos because of Movie Maker. So unfortunately, I won't be able to do the intros till I've got Movie Maker back up and working again. So sorry about that, guys. But yeah, I am going to start uploading videos again. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Twitter, guys.